Yes, I've uploaded most of my videos while plating passion twists, and I've been using the method of inside knotless weight. Those ones who have been watching my videos, but there are times when you get the worst hair texture, in that when you're trying to part the lines, and even it is hard for the lines to come out very well. So when I saw that coming, I had to change the way of the method that I've been using, and I chose to use this method. So please guys, try to watch this video and tell me how you could manage to plait this kind of hair texture.
Maurice, the crochet master.
All right, yes, welcome. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I would like to welcome everyone who is watching me, wherever you are. Yes, sometimes there are times when it is hard for you, like a client might bring the hair texture when it is really hard, and then you have to think a lot so that you can come out with something. Yes, to those ones who always played like cornrows, that those hair textures that are always perfect with cornrows. Like when you do cornrows, you look at it and it is very neat, nice. Like those ones who you do the stitchy cornrows, that there's that hair texture that even when you add gel, it doesn't come out. So this is the kind of hair that that I came to that they brought for me, and she wanted to do the passion twist. And I have been using my my method. It was really nice. If you try to watch my previous videos, how there was they were very nice. And now she wanted also to do the same thing, but I had to change because of her hair texture. The texture does not come out like very well when, even if you try to add on the gel, but it does not come out. The hair is very hard, and even there's some that are broken inside. Yes, so I had to change my method so that she can also enjoy the passion twist as you're going to be seeing. So in this video, I just realized that when you're using this method, those ones who would want to use it, it is just there's something that you just have to change and be careful with, because this kind of gripping the passion twist, it might look very small from the beginning, and you find the twisting is big, yet from the beginning is small. I always see that kind of passion twist when you find that from the beginning it is very small, and at the end it is big. So from the beginning, from the start, very start, you find like it is very small, and then like in the middle it is big. You understand? So there's the way sometimes it looks funny, and like passion twist would need like to look the same from the beginning, at least to look the same size. That's when it looks nice. And when you try to look at my previous methods of doing the passion twist, that's how I've been doing it, and it was really perfect. So when it comes to this method of plaiting, you may find like those ones who always do their who always do it hard when starting, it might be very tiny, and when from the start, and then twisting, it becomes big, and that's why it looks funny. So let's try to see how I try to manage. But though, as you're doing it, if you try to look at this hair, you just have to balance it so that it is not that it is not very hard from the beginning, and it is not tight, like it is not small. It should always balance. Yes, it should always balance. So, and like most of the times when you are here in the middle, the way like this hair can be a lot when you're trying to plait it with the passion twist, and then you find like you have to make it a little bit tight so that it can be firm. So there's some little trick that I used here. So let's try to see it how I did. So after passing through my passion twist like this, so I had to do it this way, like this. Then I start plaiting. So here you don't have to over tighten, because there's nothing needed to be over tightening. Then after, I just try to add a little bit of small kinky as I'm finishing, so that it is a little bit firm from down here. It's a little bit firm, and then I just tie it from here. But this one is going to help me like to make my endings of the hair not to come out, like that hairstyle. So the hairstyle that is always okay, that hair texture that was cut, the way the endings can always peep out when you're plaiting like these twists. They always come out, they don't look neat at all. So when you add on that, you can see that it is not showing at all, and it is not coming out. So that is the only trick that I had to use with this passion twist to become this neat, and indeed it was very, very lovely coming out like this. But the hair texture was really, really very terrible, and yet she wanted to do the passion twist. These celebrities, when they want to do something, they have to do it. So it's up to you to make to use your all your skills to come out so that she comes out very nicely. And that is what I had to do. You can see the hair texture is really totally very, very bad, but we managed to come out with our passion twist very, very nice, as you're going to be seeing. So big shout out to everyone who is watching me wherever you are. May God keep blessing you, and thank you so much for the support. Yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Yes, so thank you so much. And yeah, you can always try to do this. And please, if you want to ask some questions, you can always go in my comment section, ask me what you want, because most of the times people keep on asking me the same questions. They would ask the hair extensions, yes, and more, and yet I always add them in the description. So I don't know, that maybe you guys don't watch it, or you don't understand what I always say. But like those ones who don't understand, maybe like the English, they will always see the links, they can always click. But now in this hairstyle, I use the water wave, and that is the passion twist. So you can buy it, and it will totally come out this way. I know there's some other passion twist that comes out that might do something like this, but for this hairstyle, I used the water wave hair texture to come out this way. So yes, you can always try it out and see how it is. Yes, so let's see how it's gonna come out.
Touch of a Christian master, yeah. Oh no, no, no. Got
Don't see by my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Wayingi te wongo yaka, yeah. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wasa, beauty na chichayo.
Yeah, so now you can see how it came out, and really it is balancing. Yeah, if you even when you try to look at the baby hair, still it is really hard to come. But yes, I managed to do it, and it looked this amazing, and she got what she wanted, and she liked it so much, as you're going to be seeing the final touch. So my name is Morris, the crochet master, and I love you so much. May God bless you all. I sign out.
Crochet master, yeah. No. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No. He got the touch of a crochet master, yeah. A touch of a crochet master, Morris, yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master.